Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For this video, my teammate and I, we are going to present question number 3 for chapter 10, carboxylic acid. My name is Nur Izzatun Insyirah binti Muhammad Syam.
And I'm Anis Farha binti Muhammad Faizal. We are both from TTD2.
The dalil that is suitable for carboxylic acid is from Surah Abasa, verse 28. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Wa inaban wa qadba. Sadaqallahul azim. The meaning is and grapes and herbage. So, why is this verse suitable for carboxylic acid? Because one of the major component in grapes is tartaric acid, and tartaric acid is naturally found in grapes and has been reported to enhance the flavor of grape beverages such as wine. So, it is a diprotic and aldaric acid. Aldaric acid is sugars acid, and the structure is shown in the slide.
Okay, so for question 3A, write the chemical equation for the reaction of pentanoic acid with each of the following reagents. Okay, for the first question, the reagent given is sodium metal, and we know that the reaction will be reaction with electropositive metal that will produce salt and also hydrogen gas. So in this case, when pentanoic acid react with sodium metal, it will produce sodium pentanoate salt with 1/2 hydrogen gas. Okay, move on to the second question. The reagent is sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Okay, so for this reagent, the reaction will be neutralization with a base which produce carboxylic salt, and the chemical equation is pentanoic acid plus with sodium hydroxide will produce sodium pentanoate and also water. Number 3, thionyl chloride, SOCl2. The reaction will be formation of acyl chloride, and which is a derivative of carboxylic acid. So the equation will be pentanoic acid react with SOCl2, thionyl chloride, will produce pentanoyl chloride plus with sulfur dioxide plus with hydrochloric acid. Next, the reagent is lithium aluminium hydride, ether, and also hydrogen ion. Okay, so the reaction that use this reagent is reduction of carboxylic acid, and carboxylic acid will be reduced to primary alcohol. Okay, so the chemical equation is pentanoic acid react with lithium aluminium hydride plus with ether and also H plus or H2O plus will produce pentanol. Next, 2-propanol. The reaction will be formation of ester, which is a derivative of carboxylic acid, and the H atom of the COOH will be replaced by the hydrocarbon group. Okay, so the chemical equation will be pentanoic acid plus with 2-propanol with the equilibrium arrows, we produce propyl pentanoate. And the last question is methanamine. So with this reagent, the reaction will be formation of amide, which is also a derivative of carboxylic acid, where the OH will be substituted with amino group. And in this case, when pentanoic acid will react with methanamine, it will produce N-methyl pentanamide plus with water molecule. For all of these 6 questions, they all contribute 1 marks and the total marks will be 6 marks.
Question 3b asks us to outline the synthesis of N-butanoic acid from propanol. So first of all, to obtain N-butanoic acid from propanol, the first step is we reduce propanol to become propanol. So we reduce propanol by using LiAl H4, H2O plus and ether, and then we will get the propanol. Then next, at the second equation, propanol will react with PBr3. So PBr3 is a phosphorus halide. So propanol will react with phosphorus bromide to produce propyl bromide. And at the third equation, the third step, propyl bromide is an alkyl halide. So propyl bromide will react with magnesium Mg and dry ether to produce propyl magnesium bromide. And the last step, the propyl magnesium bromide will react with CO2, H2O plus and H plus to produce butanoic acid. So you can see from the slide, there are 4 steps for us to obtain N-butanoic acid from propanol.
That is all for our presentation and we hope you guys can understand this topic.